listen. Of course, she's going to stop snoring when I say something. There she goes. That's my dog. Snoring. I can't sleep. She needs a breathe right strip or a CPAP mask one. I need to have that dog. She got sleep apnea. It's awful. She's gonna have to start sleeping somewhere else. She sleeps in my bed. That's ridiculous. Anyway, I couldn't sleep, obviously. So I just thought I'd tell y'all, hey, I'm getting a little cold or something. I'm coughing a lot. I just can't get well. Anyway, maybe it's because my dog sleeps in bed. I don't know. She ain't gonna be sleeping here long if she don't hush. So loud. Anyway, you should hear it when she and my English bulldog and my husband get to go, and it's like that dwiddling banjos tingling. What's it called? Fiddling banjos? Fumbling? I can't remember what the heck the thing's called. Y'all know. That thing. That's what it sounds like. I'm kicking, pulling a pillow or something all the time. They get to going. Anyway. She won't stop. Love y'all. I got to kick her out of here. I got to go to bed. Love y'all.